When you're starting out in the wild world of DIY, it can be a little confusing, knowing where to start, what to start with, what's at your level, and what is beyond you. Fortunately, there are some guides for the DIY spirits out there. And one of those maker pros is Johnny Builds here, showing off an awesome DIY project that's perfect for some beginner welding, using steel, and woodworking as well. Starting by using some 14 gauge 1.5-inch tube steel to cut legs, then stretchers, all to size, then each of them ground down to remove mill scale and any burrs on the ends. With that done, and the corners welded together for the two side leg assemblies, some additional stretchers were added in opposing Y shapes. Again, the same process, cutting them carefully to size, cleaning them up, and then welding them into place with the help of some magnets. With that done, onto the wood, the actual seat for this amazing stool. And each of them comprised of 5 sections of 2x4 connected with dominoes, plenty of wood glue, and then clamped together, allowed to set. In the meantime, some flat bar cut to be able to put together some adjustable feet. And how you do that is take that flat bar, re-drill a hole, and then weld a nut over top, and now you can thread a hole through, and voila, just like that, you've got your very own DIY adjustable foot. Some more flat bar used as the plates for attachment of the actual stool seat to the base. It's hand planed before some spaces are carved out with inlaid rare earth magnets that'll see these 3 stools snap to become one table. Pretty cool design idea. Then everything cleaned up again with that wire brush to remove all the mill scale and paint before it's cleaned up with mineral spirits and then coated with some gorgeous Montana matte black. As for those seats, they're all sanded to 120, given the Shusugiban torch treatment to really make that grain pop and make it look antiqued and weathered at the same time. Then hit with the wire brush, wipe down before 3 different colors of stain are brushed on, and then wiped away. And it doesn't stop there. Once that's done, and all 3 colors run, including that awesome purple and light sanding is done, those magnets are finally glued into place, and then everything is coated with some white on polyacrylic to really make those colors sing atop that industrial black-looking steel. An amazing DIY, a 3IY, because it's 3 stools in one. Awesome.